Hey guys, what I want to show you today is how you add another artboard in Illustrator. So what you do is you can see you have your artboard here. You press in the left hand column here on the artboard tool. And you can move it by holding left click or by holding Alt, you duplicate it. Alt on PC and Option on Mac. So there you have a duplicate of the artboard. Or if you want to make a new one, you just have this. Once you have this selected, you can just drag it like that to create your artboard. And if you want to have it identical, you can go up here to the top right hand corner and type in the same dimensions as now I know that I have 1000 by 1000 here. So I just type 1000 and this was already 1000. So yeah, or if you want to change it, let's say you want the width to be 1500, like that. So yeah, that's how you add a new artboard in Illustrator. If you have any comments or questions, just type them below and I'll answer them. Have a good day.